Alright guys, as you can see, I'm not out in the field today. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on the QuestGo app. I've got the QuestGo machine in front of me, and I've got my phone as well. So anyway, as you can see, it's spinning around at the minute. This is my new addition to the camera, and hopefully it'll help, because when I'm out in the field, I can spin it around like this, like that, and like that, and you guys will be able to see the dash. I'm going to plug a external mic into this and put it into my headset as well, so you can hear the tones as well as hearing me speak, and basically be able to see all this. So that's I'm going to attempt that anyway, and it'd be nice for you guys to give me a review on whether the camera angles are good or not. Anyway, we're going to turn the machine on when it wants to. There we go. It's because it's same program lost at the minute, because I was going to download the new update from the firmware, but I thought I'd show you guys that as well. So I'll show you that now. As you can see, it's come up with QuestGo, so it's automatically connected to the app. So anyway, pop that there like that, and let's spin you around. How am I going to have it in my hand? So if I spin you like that, like that. Anyway, if we watch now, so you go to the QuestGo app. When you're downloading it, type in capital Q Quest and then Go, all one word, and it'll bring up the app. Otherwise, it's not straightforward. Otherwise, if you type it in not a small case, it won't work. But anyway, so when you come to your page, you've obviously got this. This is the beginning of your app. This will tell you your fines at the beginning of each month. So like it's showing you something now. That's me just been playing with it a minute ago. And basically you go to fines and you press start, and it'll take you to the satellite view of where you are, like a map. And you will set off walking across a field, and you can pick your colours, but it will set off across the field once you press start, and it'll log how long you've been metal detecting for, how many kilometres, whatever you want. And when you press pinpointer on the machine over a signal, say it's 70, it will automatically pin a dot that what's the word, that basically represents the VDI numbers. So say from 50 to 75 is pink. Whatever it is, I haven't really used it much yet, because I've been busy playing with the machines themselves. So anyway, so it will automatically log everything that you do. It's a brilliant app. You've got a group chat here, so you basically talk to people, show your finds, which is really cool. Like this is these guys testing the Pro, yeah. And I'm just going to try and see if anybody's put up a picture of the maps on the phone. No, they haven't, not yet. So anyway, I'll put a couple of pictures of what the map will look like, because I don't want to press start, because it obviously registers me detecting it. I don't really want to waste the figure. So anyway, you'll go to this, you press start, take you to your satellite, and it will basically take you through the day. It'll follow you it'll show you where you've walked, and it'll show you your finds. Then there's your statistics, and then this will tell you per week, month, year, or whatever you want. So to connect it, if it's your first time, say you've downloaded the app, it'll ask you to set up a password and your email. And to connect it, you basically go to your settings, gears, metal detector, and turn your Bluetooth on your phone and press connect, and it will find the machine. You can name it yourself, whatever you want, when you've done it. So yeah, basically, then you go out of there, and basically this is all user info, everything. Now the next step is the gears firmware, and this is the really cool bit. This machine will, when it's got a new update off Quest, so there's an update for the beach coming soon, it will basically come into this gears firmware, and it'll check, and you'll come into it, and you'll see this recent 1701. This is the new update. So all you do is press that, and it goes into firmware updating, percentage, And basically that's it. You just wait until it's updated your machine. So you don't need to plug your machine in or do anything. It automatically goes via the firmware to your machine. I think it's absolutely brilliant idea. The technology on this machine is second to none. So I think it's really cool. And apparently in the coming months, or I don't know when, but I'm reading the manual, and from what I've heard, in the coming months there will be some new frequencies coming out as well as the 5, 13 and 20 kilohertz that's on it at the moment. So any problems you have with the dash, or hopefully you won't, but any problems, it will be remedied via Gear's firmware. Any updates, it will be done via firmware. It's just an absolutely brilliant addition. So anyway, I hope I've basically showed you an insight into it. It's pretty straightforward from what I've just shown you. That's how it works. It's so simple. I hope I've given you a good insight into it. And let's spin you around. And hopefully this new camera angle on my wrist will be giving you guys a lot more a view of the dash and the sounds that I'm hearing on the metal detector. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I hope I didn't bore you too much, and I'll see you all soon. I will be out testing the Quest Pro up against the Equinox some point this week. I did go out yesterday on a dig. The day didn't really draw up much and it was very windy, so the footage wasn't very clear or very good. So yeah, but what I can say about yesterday was we did 6 holes, because I was busy trying to metal detect as well. I did 6 holes comparing the Quest to the Nox, vice versa, and both machines found each signal. So at this moment in time there's no difference in, obviously there's probably a little bit more, the Minelab machines are really deep, but at this moment in time, what I picked yesterday and what I dug yesterday with the Quest and the Minelab, there wasn't any difference. Both machines picked up each other's signals. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you hopefully at some point this week. See you later.